If Google Chrome is showing the error loading profile message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the safest and easiest method, and if that does not work, I'll show you how to reset the Chrome profile folder so you can get Chrome working again. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure Chrome is fully closed. This part is important because if Chrome is still running in the background, the profile files may stay locked and the problem can continue. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift and S to open Task Manager. Then look for any Google Chrome processes in the list. If you see more than one, right-click each one and select End Task. Keep doing that until Chrome is completely closed. Now that Chrome is shut down, we're going to open the Chrome User Data folder. On Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Then type %local app data, %google_chrome/user data, and press Enter. This will open the folder where Chrome stores your profiles and browser data. Inside this folder, look for the default folder or any profile folder you are using. Open it, then scroll down until you find a file named Web Data. This file can sometimes become corrupted and cause the profile loading error. Right-click the web data file and delete it. If you are prompted for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once the file is deleted, restart Google Chrome and check if the error is gone. In many cases, Chrome will rebuild the missing file automatically and launch normally again. If that worked, great, you're done. If not, don't worry, we still have one more fix to try. If deleting web data did not solve the problem, the next step is to rename the entire default profile folder. This is useful when the whole profile becomes corrupted. First, close Chrome completely again and make sure there are no Chrome processes left running in Task Manager. Next, go back to the same Chrome user data location by opening Run and typing %local app data, %google_chrome/user data. Press Enter, then find the default folder or the profile folder that Chrome is using. Right-click that folder and rename it to default.old. If it is a different profile folder, you can rename it to profile.old instead. Renaming the folder tells Chrome to ignore the damaged profile and create a brand new one. Now open Google Chrome again. Chrome should detect that the old profile is missing and automatically create a fresh new default folder. The browser should launch without the error loading profile message. After that, sign into your Google account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and other data back into Chrome. Give it a minute to sync everything, especially if you had a lot of browser data saved before. Once sync is complete, Chrome should feel normal again, but now with a clean and working profile. So, to recap, the first fix is deleting the web data file, and the second fix is renaming the default profile folder so Chrome can rebuild it from scratch. These 2 methods solve most Chrome profile loading issues without needing a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped you fix Chrome, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.